welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be dermaplaning my face tonight. It's like 8:30 at night. During the Black Friday sale, I ordered this Jill. It's a dermaplaning starter kit. So basically shaving your face. I'm going to be cleaning up my eyebrow area, my sideburn area, a little bit of there's a lot of benefits to dermaplaning. It helps with a lot. It helps like your skincare for one sink into your skin and actually work the way it's supposed to. I know it helps with fine lines, hyperpigmentation, all of that. I've heard really good things about dermaplaning, so I got the Jill starter kit, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in the package. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is the shave starter kit. Jill. This is a cute bottle. And in here, it says, welcome to the female face shaving frenzy. Funny. So in here, this looks like a razor. So that's one size of a razor. It's really nice, really chic. Feels comfortable to hold, honestly. So I know I'm gonna have a good grip when I do this. Really pretty. It's like my favorite type of pink, and then there's like gold detailing on it. So you get that. This looks like a dry towel. Oh, this is so that when you're like shaving, you have something to wipe it off with. And then in here, this little box, replace me after every shave. So this is an extra razor. I like the size of the razor because, oh no, this is a larger size. Okay, so this is the larger size. This one's good for the face, but I like the smaller size on this one to actually like get in those, like right here, for example. It's perfect size for there. So that's what came in that little container. Really cute. Put that back. And is there anything else in here? Okay. And then they also sent the Magic Spray, hair identifying spray. It says that it's cruelty-free, non-toxic. So this is what you spray on your face, which helps you identify all the hair for you to shave off. And this is the wet wipe, Magic Wipes facial oil towel. So you put this on first. You wipe your face down with this first after you wash your face with cleanser. So I'm going to, I don't know. It says open packet, unfold, focus on areas you want. Well, I'm going to wash my face first, and then I'm going to wipe my face down with the wet wipe, and then put the identifier on, and then shave. So it also comes with a guide, Jill, the shave guide. So yeah, all the instructions. In this box, I got the travel case, the wand, protective lid, a wide blade, and a gunk pad. Okay. So yeah, I will have this starter kit linked below for you guys, of course. So right now I'm going to go wash my face so that I can get started, and I'll show you step by step how I guess shave my face. So I just washed my face, and I actually forgot to say that I went in with my facial steamer and steamed my face for 10 minutes after washing it, and now I am about to start the shave process. So I'm starting off with the facial oil towelette. What does the directions say? Open packet, unfold, wipe, and swipe onto skin. Make sure to use both sides. Focus on the areas you will be showing and avoid. You will be shaving and avoid the eye area. Discard, wipe, and trash, not flush. Okay. This isn't very wet. Oh, okay, it's literally oil. this definitely, at first I thought it was dry, but it actually, it's like infused with oil. As you can see, like this is a dry spot on my arm, and now it's very oily. So I definitely feel like that's a level of protection, which is good. So this is the magic spray. It's a hair identifying spray. Shake well. Hold it 6 inches away. It doesn't feel like it's liquid in here. Like this is powder that's going to spray out. Oh gosh, I'm testing it on my hand. Okay. Oh, you have to like... Okay. Doesn't like, I don't see hair. But you can like kind of see how it's identifying my lashes. And I also kind of sprayed too much right here. I'm going to okay, let's just go for it. I'm not sure though, like how it's identifying my hair. Oh, I can see it now when I look closer. So I'm gonna use this mirror to help me. So this is the razor. But this side, this one is for like brows. I'm gonna use a bigger one. The bigger blade. Oh. And it's really easy. Like this is reusable. So you just pop a new blade on when it's time. I like that feature. Okay. So. Oh, that's sharp. That's good. Soft, and you just use it to get the hair. So I'm only gonna go over areas that I got powder and then go from there. So yeah, I mean, it's helpful. It's a good blade. So wow. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and check in with you guys when I'm done. So all the powder, which was a lot. That was a lot. Oh, I think some of it got on my camera lens. Let's go with the positives first. So my face does feel very, very smooth, very soft. Like it feels like it's evening out my texture immediately. So that's really good. The blade is very sharp. So that's good. So it's like you don't have to, really it's you just go over lightly and it comes right off. The hair comes right off. So it's a good blade. I really like the oil towel. I feel like that feels really good on the skin also. And what I don't like is the magic spray. I'm not sure if I was doing it wrong or I just don't really know. I feel like I didn't need it. But now that I think about it, it does help guide you on like where you want to. I just don't like the spray bottle. I think it sprayed out like a little too much, like there's powder everywhere. But other than that, the actual blade itself is really good. Like my face feels smooth, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'm going to do the rest of my skincare, and honestly, I can't stop touching my face because, and I did wash my face again with cleanser after rinsing off the powder from my face because the oil and the powder left a little bit of residue. So I washed my face again with my cleanser, and after like the results, my face is still feeling very smooth. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Oh, my skin feels so dry. I need to do the rest of my skincare. Oh, immediately going in with my toner essence. It like is gliding right over my face. Oh yeah. I can tell the difference now. My face didn't feel this smooth before. It did not feel this smooth before using that. So just remembered I was gonna do my face mask. Darn. Oh well, it's probably too much anyway to do at one time, so I'll do a face mask tomorrow or something. But that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.